Good morning, first graders. How is everybody? Today is Friday, April 3rd, 2020. Tomorrow is the weekend, no work. So I want to give you a quick rundown of what we are going to do today. We're going to review our sight words quickly. Right after this, we're wrapping up lesson 15, so all of the lesson 15 sight words. Then you are going to complete your lesson 15 vocabulary and phonics packet. It looks like a lot of pages, but it's only 1 to 3 questions per page. It goes quickly. After that, you guys are going to listen to a story. We're going to do something a little different today. So you're listen to a story, and then you are going to write a book review about it. Okay? So let's get started with our sight words. Okay, here we go. So as for the sight words, I just want you to do exactly what we did last week. You are going to, as soon as the sight word pops up on the screen, read the sight word out loud, and then read the sentence out loud and see if you can read both before I start reading them, okay? So let's start with, so this is how it will look. You'll remember from last week. The high frequency word will pop up, and then the sentence. Read each high frequency word and sentence aloud. Ready? Number 1. Okay, the word is bird. Birds have wings and beaks. Number 2. The word is fly. We can't get that fly out of our house. Okay, and fly can mean either the insect, right, a fly, or it could mean fly, like to fly, the verb. Number 3. The word is those. Wow, did you see those big birds? Okay, next one is both. Mammals and birds both live on land and water. The word is long. The rope is 5 inches long. The word is walk. It is nice to walk outside when it is sunny. Eyes. Fish have eyes on the sides of their heads. Or, would you like chocolate milk or white milk? All right, so how did you do? Did you beat me? I hope so. So I wanted you to just take notice real quick of, I made these sentences so that we use different punctuation, right? So for instance, look at this one. We can't get that fly out of our house. Now, I noticed that you are doing this in Spanish right now. So although we're not up to it in English quite yet, we're going to do it too. This is called an exclamation point or exclamation mark, right? And it does the same thing in English as it does in Spanish. The only difference is in Spanish, you put one upside down in the beginning of the sentence as well. I hope I said in Spanish you do that. In English, we only put one at the end of the sentence, okay? And it gives emphasis. It's either like it's exciting, right? So usually you speak a little louder or you put extra energy in your voice, right? So you can tell from this sentence, we can't get that fly out of our house. It's like they're frustrated, they're excited, they're angry. There's something, right? There's some emotion and there's more energy to what you're saying. And this one has both an exclamation mark and a question mark. Wow, right? A lot of times words like that, wow, oops, uh-oh, all those kind of short little words. It's emphasis, it's excitement, right? So we put an exclamation point. So the reader knows to change their intonation or to change their energy level. Did you see those big birds? And we know that's a question because there is a question mark at the end. And also because it starts with did. Okay, and then there was this one with a question mark. Would you like chocolate milk or white milk? Right? It is a question, so we put a question mark. Okay, so as soon as you're done with this video, I want you to complete the weekly test packet. It looks like a lot, but it goes very quickly. You guys do these almost every week, so you're very familiar with them. So here are the vocabulary pages. There are 10 questions, and then phonics, there are 2 sections of phonics. So the first section has 10 questions, and the second section has 10 questions. Okay, but they're all pretty simple. So please complete that. When you are finished with that, I want you to click on the next video link, and you're going to listen to a story. Okay, so focus on your work and get it done quickly so that you can come back and listen to the story. I'll see you later.